Welcome to KeptMe's online training for the Organisation Administration Portal. In this training session, we will be focusing on setting up your environment, as well as some of the other features that can only be accessed by users who have organisation administration privileges. Let's start by looking at the process after registering your service with KeptMe. Once you have registered your service with KeptMe, you'll receive a verification email to confirm your email address. Simply click on the email verification button to confirm and gain access to your account. When you first log into KeptMe, there are a couple of things to take note of. You'll find the profile selection menu on the top left-hand side of your screen, with the settings menu on the right-hand side. iOS users are able to add new classrooms, staff and students to their environment from the profile selection menu. Simply select the Add New Group button to add a classroom. For security reasons, you will be prompted to log into your account again to gain access to the Organisation Administration Portal. Once logged in, enter the new classroom name and year, followed by the Submit button. The classroom will now be appearing in your profile selection menu. Press the Expand button, located next to the classroom name, followed by the Add to Group button. When selecting the Add to Group button, you'll be prompted with two options: to add staff or add a student to the class. Let's begin by adding an educator. To add an educator, simply enter their first and last name, as well as their email address. This email address should be unique for each educator to allow them to have their own login details and enter comments in the student learning stories against their name. Once all the details have been entered, press the Submit button to send the educator an invitation to join KeptMe. To start adding your students to your environment, click on the Add Student to Class option. Similar to adding an educator, enter the first and last name of the student, as well as the child's date of birth, followed by the Submit button. You will then be provided with the option to add the student's other name, which may be in another language, and enter the student's guardian email addresses. Adding guardian email addresses will automatically send the guardian an invitation to complete their login and allows you as an educator to publish via KeptMe when sharing a child's portfolio, and use the Share Now function to send an image with a caption to the parents throughout the day. For guardians who have KeptMe installed on their mobile device, the Publish via KeptMe option will send guardians real-time notifications informing them that something has been published, allow them to watch any video footage that may have been captured and shared, and most importantly, add comments to their child's learning stories. KeptMe iOS also allows educators to edit a profile by selecting the icon to the right of their names. Simply make the required changes and press the tick button.